we're going to go to the barn, take a quick video of Dad's latest and greatest cheat. Weed eating around that dog fence. Oh, I hate weed eating around that dog fence. But it just got easier today, and I'm going to show you how. So now we're in the barn. Battery weed eater. I'm not going to use the motorized one. This one is a lot softer. And here is a piece of plastic that I chopped off of this that came out of an Amazon package once upon a time. So I just took a little slice. Actually, I took a whole slice, and then this is a little piece, and that's the other piece. So if and when this one runs out, I got more. And then I'm going to take one tie wrap. One tie wrap. I don't think I need to waste two of them. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it under the trigger, not jammed up in there, but close. And then I'm going to put the tie wrap on. And I don't know if the angle of this camera is going to do it, but here's some clippers. I'm going to clip the tail. So let's just give this a shot. Oh, that's a nice throttle. That keeps me from going too far. It puts me right where it barely engages, which is what I want. Even this one on full-blown low will tear up the fence, and my gas one, it mangles the fence. So let's go out here and do this. And I'm going to close the door. Oh, dog just came with me. Okay, dog's with me. Let's try it without fence. Nice and throttled. Okay. Now we're going to get, or attempt to get, under the fence. And you can see and hear I'm hitting the fence, but it ain't hurting deadly. That was the goal. Do not hurt deadly. And I've got my finger squeezed pretty tight, but I'm not overpowering it. Not bad. Yeah, you can see I tested this out 10 minutes ago on the other side of the fence, just to make sure it was going to work before I wasted my time making a video. But you know, it worked, and it's still working. Now the only thing I don't like is I can't tap it and auto feed more string because it ain't got enough power. Let's just give it a shot. Well, looky there. It worked. It worked. I just squeezed it against the foam extra hard, sped it up, and it worked.